Lee, here, will you hold that? This is your present. Here's a cute present from Sky. Do you want to help? Will you help? Do you want to open it? She keeps playing with the packages. She really. Do you want to pull that? Hold open. You guys see this very determined face. What is very good? Right, roll it, hold it. Get it, Goldie. You got something? Yeah.
Whoa. Is it a book?
Oh. This is one of William's favorite books, Mouse Paint. This is a great book, Goldie. This is a great book. I just checked out the other version of this from the library that you couldn't play with because it's not baby tough. This is baby tough. Oh, look, she made the wrapping paper. Fun for her to play with. Do you want to play with Mouse Paint? Yeah, let's check the other one. What's the other one? It's mommy proof. Here you go, Goldie. Grab it up, tear it up, and look. Get it out there. Oh! Oh!
Good job.
Got it out, got it out. It's rabbits and raindrops. Yay! Look, on rabbits, yay! Conejos. Here, this rabbit. Conejos. Rabbits. Say, I was born in the year of the bunny.
Where's Goji? Where's Goji presents?
Goji. Peekaboo, Goji. I see you. I see you.
Where's Goji?
Where's the Goji berries? Where's the Goji berries? Here I am. Alright. Can we stop it?